This is also known as the additional class 801. And we'll be parking King's Cross. And this train has a top speed of 140 miles per hour using in-cab signaling. That's what it looks like from the outside. And this is my first time riding on this train. So we departed about half a minute early. And the first stop is Stevenage.
Due to run to Leeds, 2147. One coach facility has been provided on this service and can be found in Coach H. If you're using this facility, please turn electronic equipment into the silent mode and make or receive telephone calls in the vestibules at the end of this coach. The safety and security CCTV recording is in operation throughout this train, and safety information has been placed in the vestibules for your attention. Catering facilities are provided in Coach G for golf. You'll find our food bar on sale at the food bar, tea, coffee, hot chocolate, selection of freshly made sandwiches, sweet and savoury snacks, soft and licensed drinks. Those in standard accommodation preferring to remain seated and asking trolley service of drinks and light refreshments will be making its way through the train, and your assistance in keeping aisles free from luggage would be appreciated. Customers joining us in first class accommodation, we're serving from our rest of the day menu, details of which can be found on the red and the white menu cards. Finally, if I or any member of my team can be of any assistance throughout your journey today, please contact